Hey there, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I want to show you another feature of the FileDrop web platform. Today I'm going to show you how you can extract tabular data from your images or PDFs. It's really a simple tool, but so useful sometimes when you need some data that's captured in a photo, for example. This works also on your mobile, so the entire suite of tools of the FileDrop web platform works on mobile as well. Let's get started. So I'm going to select an image. Here you have a lot of sources that you can select from, so from your local computer or or your PC or camera or a link, Facebook, your Google Drive. Yeah, so you can select any files from your Google Drive or even Dropbox or OneDrive. And I'm going to select a simple table I have here. So it's a example pricing table I have for FileDrop. I'm going to click extract. And this is the data it extracted from my file here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 5 with the plans. And now if I want, I can download this as Excel file, or I can copy it, or as even as a Word file. So really simple tool that it's handy when you work with data and files. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.